Welcome to this tutorial on how to send Bitcoin with Revolut. Revolut is a popular financial app that allows users to buy, sell, and send cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. To get started, you need to have a Revolut account and a Bitcoin balance in your account. First, open the Revolut app and log into your account. Navigate to the cryptocurrency section by tapping on the Investments tab. Here, you will see a list of available cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. Select Bitcoin from the list to proceed. Next, tap on the Send button to initiate the sending process. You will be prompted to enter the recipient's Bitcoin address. This address is a unique string of characters that identifies the recipient's Bitcoin wallet. Make sure to enter the address correctly, as Bitcoin transactions are irreversible. You can enter the recipient's address manually or use the QR code scanner to scan the recipient's QR code. Once you have entered the address, specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. You can choose to send a fixed amount of Bitcoin or a fixed amount of your local currency. Before confirming the transaction, review the details carefully, including the recipient's address, the amount of Bitcoin, and the transaction fee. Revolut charges a small fee for Bitcoin transactions, which will be deducted from your account balance. Once you have reviewed the details, confirm the transaction by tapping on the Send button. The transaction will be processed and the Bitcoin will be sent to the recipient's wallet. Depending on the network congestion, the transaction may take a few minutes to several hours to be confirmed. It is essential to note that Bitcoin transactions are recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain, and once a transaction is confirmed, it cannot be reversed. Therefore, make sure to double-check the recipient's address and the amount of Bitcoin before confirming the transaction. In conclusion, sending Bitcoin with Revolut is a straightforward process that requires a few simple steps. Make sure to follow the instructions carefully and review the transaction details before confirming the send. By following these steps, you can securely and efficiently send Bitcoin to anyone in the world using the Revolut app.